Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the front of a deep drawer, pan drawer, box drawer. Everyone calls it different names, although they vary slightly from manufacturer to manufacturer. Most of them, the basic is the same, and I will show you how to replace the front with a new one. So the first thing you need to do is to remove these side panels. They're very easy to remove. The next, this end here, just tap it gently out. Okay, now on this end here, they're just screwed in, like without the screw, it just goes in like so, okay? Now for the front of the drawer, look for a little cross sign. Sometimes it's a bit hidden. I can show you there. So just look for it. And turn. Just like that. Now the next step, keep your original front with you because you're going to use it as a template. I like to use protector to make sure I don't scratch the new front. Okay. Find the reverse of your new front. And now basically we're going to replicate what we have here. Measure, measure, and measure again. This is very precise measurements. And basically we're going to replicate
Okay.